Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. My name is Shabana Heather. I am your computer science teacher. I welcome you in AppSex online support program. And this is the lesson for class 3. Textbook Computer Science, page number 138, chapter 13, presenting your ideas. Task is 1, formatting pictures. Resources required, textbook, computer, laptop. Summary of the lesson is, in this lesson we will learn how can we rotate any object into different angles in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, we will work in Microsoft PowerPoint, and I am continuing this task, which is task 1, formatting pictures. Okay, so let's move forward for the objectives of our lesson. Today we will learn how can we rotate a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint using drawing tools or picture. Okay, so I have opened Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's just have a quick review of our previous lecture where we discuss about adding slides in a presentation. So we have 9 type of layouts which we do use in Microsoft PowerPoints in order to create a presentation. So we use these slides to make a presentation. Today I will tell you how can we insert picture and how can we rotate the picture using different formations from picture tool. Okay, so this is your Microsoft PowerPoints window. On the insert tab, first I am telling you about inserting picture first. Insert tab here, add a picture from your system. Alright, I am taking this picture, click insert. Look, this way you can insert a picture from your computer. Look, can you see these small circles around your picture? Yes, okay, you can use them to resize your picture. If you want to make it small or you want to justify it on your page, then you can resize using this. Okay, so this way you can resize your picture. So now I will add formation on this picture. Click on the picture, click on the center of the picture. Yes, then you can see the format tab and can see different picture formations group over here. Have you seen it? Okay, let's do this again. Click on the picture center like this. Now you can see the format tab, different groups. Okay, here you can see rotate. We use it to rotate or flip the selected object. For instance, I have selected this and I am using rotation command over here. Click over here. This way you can rotate your picture. Flip vertical, flip horizontally. Okay, so I want to add more rotations options. I want my picture to rotate 60-degree angle. So how can I do it? Because it has only 2 left and right rotation which is of 90 degrees. I want to rotate my picture to 60 degrees. Then I will use more rotation options. Click over here. Click on the more rotation options. Here on the size, write 60-degree rotation. From the size and position, you go on the size tab and add this setting to 60-degree rotation. Now your picture is 60-degree rotate. Okay, so this way you can rotate your pictures in different ways. Okay, so let's just have an activity for the clear concepts of your task. So let's start. Okay, first let's just drag it to its proper place. Okay, or now I want a paragraph over here, so I need a text box. Take a text box here and start typing on it. Okay, I am pasting over here. Now you can insert your text inside this text box. Okay, so I want to change the font color. Then first select it, select the paragraph, then change the font color from this group. I want the color blue. Okay, I have selected blue color for my font color. Now you can change the size from grow size, or you can use this function. Okay, and if you want to change the type, then you can also change its type by changing font themes. Okay, if you want to add image, we have already added, so we don't need to add again. You can add more images if you need more. You can resize image easily by these small circles from the corners and resize it easily, and you can format it using these groups. And if you want to rotate your image, you can use these tool. If you want more rotation options, then you can write over here what you need. If you need 60 degree, then you can take 60 degree angle. If you need more options, then you can add over here, then easily you can rotate your pictures to that direction. So this was the end of our lesson. I hope the concepts are clear and you have learned how to rotate a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also practice it at home on the Microsoft PowerPoint regarding favorite picnic place. Write essay about your favorite picnic place or any other topic. It is up to you. While applying following functions, these are different formations you need to apply on that paragraph. Okay, do practice this at home. You can change font color, you can add images, you can resize it now, and you can move the image easily from one to other place. Rotate an image to 60 degree angle, because we have practiced 60 degree angle today. Okay, so I hope it was helpful. You can perform this activity very well now. Keep on practicing that you can explore more about it. Take care of yourself and your family. Keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.